Hello, my people. Hello. How are you today? Uh, Now we are going to see how you can resize your picture without using any software that you have been downloaded. There are some people who do not like to download new software in their computers. So today I'm gonna show you how you can reduce the size of your image without the need of downloading the new software. So let's begin. You see that our picture has 815 kilobytes. You can check also by this, right click and go to properties. You see that it is 815 kilobytes. So you would want to upload that picture to a website that has a limitation of, for example, 500 kilobytes. So what will you going to do? You will start by right clicking your picture and go to edit. Edit. And now your picture will be opened in Paint program. This program is a built-in program in Windows operating system. So what you gonna do? You will click on Resize. You see your picture is 100 over 100. So what you gonna do? Let's say, let's put for example 60. Of course, maintaining the aspect ratio, and you click OK. You see that your picture is resized. In order to see the change, you will click Save, and after clicking Save, you see that your size has been reduced to 333 kilobytes. So you go to check again your picture, right click, properties, your picture has become 333 kilobytes. So this is the simple and the easiest way to reduce the size of your picture if you want to upload it somewhere. So guys, thank you, and subscribe and also share. I love you all. Bye bye.